Hello my friends, today in this video I want to show you how I made these beautiful spiral earrings. So stay with me to see how the final result turns out. Creating this spiral earring is entirely up to you in terms of size and length. You can make it shorter, longer, or adjust the spiral's width however you like. Feel free to modify it to suit your own preferences. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you soon.